Hello, Kiamala. Welcome back to Thoknath Simplified. In this video, we are going to look at a very crucial thing in every language and in Thoknath also. And it's the way you greet people. You might have a friend or you might also be new in a place where there are people who speak Thoknath. So this is how you're supposed to greet the people. And so kenyam hello here male. So male, it's a very important greeting. It's almost like the king of all greetings in Nuer. So it's used, it has no time limit. It has no it's not bound by any time, either morning, afternoon, or evening. So male is the first thing. When you meet someone, male, and the reply is male megoa. Okay. Or when someone meets you, they often tell you male, and the reply is male megoa. So it could be in the morning, you tell someone male, and male megoa. That's fine. So it's like hello. That's how it works, and it works for any time, whether morning, afternoon, or evening. Male, male megoa. Male, male megoa. So that's the premier greeting in Thoknath. Male, male megoa. The second one is, of course, it follows male. That's like when you tell someone male and they tell you male megoa. So the next thing that will come will be jinathin, jinathin, or jinathin. How are you in English? Jinathin. And the response is, I am fine, of course. Han a thin, or ngenathin, or ngenathin. So that's how it works. So it could be hanathin or ngenathin, depending on, in the west of the Nile we say ngenathin, in the east hanathin, but whichever way you say it, ngenathin, ke hanathin, it's all the same. So jinathin, hanathin, jinathin, hanathin. So that's how it comes. So after mala, mala maga comes jinathin, hanathin. And the other thing is for now the time-bound greeting, good morning, or kabagawa, kia kabagawa. So the greeting is Shiba Kamal, or Shiba Kamal. So that's the greeting. And the response is Shiba Kamal. Shiba Kamal, Shiba Kamal, or Shiba Kamal, Shiba Kamal. Sometimes we, in the response, Shiba Kamal, you can just say Shabak Kamal, ke Shabak. It's all the same. Shabak, ke Shabak Kamal. But to be very formal, Shabak Kamal. So that's it. In the morning, Shabak Kamal, Shabak Kamal. And are you okay? It's almost the same with what I had said earlier. After Mala, Jinathin, but this is different. Are you okay? It's Mali or Malpoindu. That's are you okay? And the reply is Male or Malpoinde. Male or Malpoinde. So that's are you okay? Mali or Malpoindu. Malpoinde. So malpoindo is just almost, are you okay? Is your body okay? Are you fine? But it's, are you okay? That's the best way it can come. And the reply is, yes, I'm okay. Or yes, my body is okay. That's male or malpoinde. So that's the other one. And then for the afternoon, it's Shishang Kamal. So Shishang Kamal, Shang is just almost the sun, like when the sun is up. So that's afternoon. So in Nuer we say Shishang Kamal. And the response is Shishang Kamal. Or Shishang, Shishang. Shishan Kamal, Sheshan Kamal. So that's for the afternoon. And then lastly for the evening, Shithian Kamal. Shathian Kamal. Shathian Kamal. Shathian Kamal. So that's for the evening. And that's it for the first greetings, which you can use in Thoknath. Shilo Jatel, thank you, and we'll see how to get other more greetings with other videos. But these are the first greetings that you need to know when you're with Nuer people. Thank you so much.